All right, my friends, whether or not you realized it, this is a STEM class, and we're about to hit the mathematics part of that. Let's learn about calculating slope. There's really one formula that we're going to use for the whole rest of the semester, all right? And it's one that you probably know already. The slope of your angle here is going to be the rise over the run. Now, your textbook phrases this slightly differently. Slope equals V over H, all right, which stands for the slope is equal to the vertical distance divided by the horizontal distance. Looking at the illustration, we see the slope of this particular landform equals the vertical distance divided by the horizontal distance. Here's an example. If we have a vertical distance of 10 feet and a horizontal distance of 20 feet, the slope is going to equal 10 feet divided by 20 feet. Right? And this can be written in several different ways. It can be written 1 over 2 or 1/2. It can be written with decimals. Sorry, forgot the word for decimal there for a second. 0.5. It can be written in percentages. You'll see this fairly often, 50%. We can also express it as a ratio, and that would be 1:2. All of these mean the same thing. Let's visualize that 50% slope that we just calculated and take a look at this. It's almost like a protractor, this graph right here. And you can see that a 50% slope is right here. It goes over 2 and up 1. Right? And if you go back to, in your textbook, table 3.1, our suggested slopes and grading guidelines, you can see that, we've 50% is really, really steep. You really can't do anything but a planted slope at that angle. Notice that our slope percentage is not the same thing as an angle, all right? It does not match up with the degrees. For example, we were just working with 50% slope. You can see that that is 10, 20, looks like 26 and some odd degrees, all right? 100% slope is exactly 45 degrees. That would be 1 unit over and 1 unit up. All right, 1 in 1. That matches up to exactly 45 degrees. Right? And so slope does not equal angle.